Cobra's curse. Hello fellow travelers and co-riders, T5 the Traveler here with Becky the Trekkie. It's a great day at Busch Gardens because we're going to go on Cobra's Curse. There is a 140 minute wait.
Yes.
We got rained out in a ride. We were sitting in the front train, and then the Code Orange came, they kicked us out of the train, they wouldn't run it. And then we stood there for like an hour, and then they gave us one pass, but the guy's pen wasn't working, so we took a picture with the nice crew member, and we're going to try to use that pass for the quick queue right now. Hopefully that'll work, and if it does, we'll see you on the coaster. Let's go. Okay, worked. No problem there. We got a new card. I'm going to give that to Becky to hold on to, and we're in the queue line, and we're up and running, everybody. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Oh boy, they got a heck of a line, so let's see. Spinning backwards coaster. Oh lordy. Glad I haven't had any breakfast yet. We're in the back row on a backwards ride. Oh, no seat belts, okay. Does this go upside down?
I don't think
I don't know.
Oh.
Okay, I'm in it. I am in it, back row. We'll see how it goes. Okay, I mean, it's really nicely themed on the outside. It's got a lift elevator. That's always we always like a roller coaster with a lift elevator. Although I will admit, they do usually go backwards, and I usually do feel it afterwards. I'm like, oh man, I'm always in the backwards seat.
I know.
The Lost Coaster of Superstition Mountain at Indiana Beach.
Riding backwards the whole time.
Yeah, if you're watching this one and you like the video, you may check out the Lost Coaster of Superstition Mountain for like a smaller version. But here we go. I don't even know where to hold on. I'm just gonna hold the handle grips on this one. Oh, we go straight into the elevator. Oh, there's the big Cobra right there. Oh, uh-oh. We getting rained on? It's dripping water, everybody. Oh, we gotta cover up the camera.
I feel water.
I know. Okay. Water drips, water drips.
Oh boy.
There we go.
Oh boy.
Hands up on this part. Oh, a little rough of a brake run. Oh, now we're gonna spin. Now we're going for the spins, or we're just going backwards.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh boy. Oh Lord, where are we going?
Oh my God!
Oh,
Oh, here's the bathroom.
oh man. I have no idea what's happening.
I think we drop here.
We're gonna drop backwards. Hang on, everybody!
Oh boy.
Oh wow. Re-spin.
Where do you look? Oh my gosh. Oh my God.
Okay. Oh, is that it?
Yup.
Oh, all right.
That's it. Woo.
Man, your hair is going everywhere on that one.
I know, it's like all
Oh.
stuck to me.
Okay, so not as intense as I thought. It's really a short ride, actually,
It was.
as far as that goes. Would you classify this as a backwards ride?
It's definitely got a mix-up to it.
Yeah, I'd say it's primarily backwards or sideways. You have a little bit of the front to start, and then it flips. Probably
It wasn't
before
much of spinning. I thought it was going to be like Time Traveler.
I don't know that it'll spin 360 around. I'm not sure on that. Maybe it just goes to a certain point and comes back. So hands up and jump out. All right, Cobra's Curse. I'm gonna give it an A+ on the theming. What'd you think of the ride?
A really nice ride. Love the elevator lift to it. And then the backwards lift hill there, the backwards parts. But yeah, just overall a good ride.
Really, I mean, for a first go, you don't know where you're going. We started in the back and then we're kind of in the front, and then all of that. It's kind of short, I guess.
A little bit.
But the theming is top notch, and then it's like we're heading up the tower and you got like water dripping on you. Hopefully I was able to capture everything okay for everybody, but we'll find out. And really, I had a nice ride on it. I don't feel like queasy or anything. It was actually a really short ride. A+ for theming. I'm gonna give it like 8 out of 10, I think, on this one for me, just because backwards isn't always my thing. But I liked it, and it is kind of like Time Traveler, but Time Traveler is way more intense. It's got that big drop, and then you spin 360. I didn't feel like we were just spinning on this one.
No, it's kind of a small section.
It goes to like maybe like, I don't know how many degrees, maybe like 260 degrees or something like that, and then it'll spin you back.
Yeah, I still don't know where to look though during those parts. I'm like, where's your
no, that always makes it a lot of fun for sure. So yeah, I had a great ride. Thanks for joining us on this one. We'll cover all the coasters and the park, and be sure to check those videos out. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, fellow travelers, and we'll see you soon on the next ride. Bye everybody. That's Cobra's Curse.